Is today we are gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. Okay, let's start. I've got the Frank character equipped, and for the board I have this board which has a superpower and it's really fast. I will use it and it's really fun to use. And there's a cool combo when you use both these on 3, the star and the thing booster, and then you go on the thing. It's so fast. Okay, here's a quick thing about the hoverboard. It costs 80,000. Sorry about that. My sister will be starting playing. I'll let my sister play a little bit because she said that she wants to play. I'll just be voicing over. Okay guys, we are on top of the roof. Remember to join our Discord in the link description. And please verify yourself on the verification channel and click the tick button on it. Guys, we're really close to hitting, I don't know, 80 subscribers or something. We're close to 100, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, there's a thing, first thing I got. Haven't played this in a long time. What's the word? Edison. Okay guys, I'm not going to be using any ads, so okay, I just got that and I got the coin things. 1 second guys, I just want to check what it is. I haven't seen the update. Okay. 25,000 for this guy. I already got that from last season, so it's pretty cool. Haven't got that though. Oh no, I can get it. I can't get it now. Can't get that. Looks pretty weird. Bundle offer. $8. Got Miss Mayo. Why am I have Miss Mayo, King. I don't have a second outfit. Have Frank, not her. Have Ninja, all 3. Have this first one. Lucy, Fresh. This one up to number 2, I'm pretty sure. Not up to number 2. Jake, I'm pretty sure no. Yeah, and for the boards I have this one. This one is pretty cool with the ninja. This is free. I got this for 70 keys, I'm pretty sure. 70 or 80. This is favorite. From the past, from the Mumbai one, from the Coral one. Yeah. I have pretty much nearly collectibles, bro. Collectibles. Why did I do that? Okay guys, I'm just gonna cut this scene until I get up to a high level. Okay guys, I just started recording for some reason because I felt like it. Okay, I'm gonna use a hoverboard. I used to have like 100 hoverboards or something. I don't know, it's really laggy for me. Okay guys, we nearly need the end. Ooh, that's just because cool. Hoverboard. Fast, bro, fast. I'm gonna get the coin meter jackpot. Highest is 2 million. I'll show you the high score that if I die. Okay, I got the word. Today, I don't know when this is posted, but this video is posted, I'm pretty sure tomorrow or something. The Call of Duty video part 1 will be out or something. Okay guys, my sisters will be taking over from now. I'm just going to be commentating Video still active. Just wait 1 second. Okay, let's just get that and this. Okay, my sister wants to say something, guys.
The Queen's gonna play now.
Wait, restart. I just want to show them one thing, yeah? Leave. And wait. Home. The high score is 2,330,041. Anybody beat that? Please comment down below. Okay, guys, we're just gonna what's it called? Pause it. We're just gonna pause it until she gets to a higher level. Okay, guys, we're gonna continue from here. She's at 140,000. Really common. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Short technical difficulty. We'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, we have continued. We have to restart the entire game because of a technical difficulty. Oh yeah, remember, guys, if you're in our server, you can apply for mod in the mod application system. Make sure to actively try to apply for it. You can get mod or admin from it, and you can do self-roll assignment. You can get a self-roll assignment with a Twitch if you follow us on Twitch. I'll try to display this on the screen, my Twitch. We might stream sometimes. Okay, we're not using an ad. Okay, this video is going really slow for some reason. Okay. I'm gonna do one round, guys. This is the last round I'm gonna play. Sorry, guys, if you saw that. It's just a small thing. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna try and finish this round quickly. I'm not gonna die on purpose. I'm just not gonna try to die. Close calls. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for listening to the video. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and comment down your highest score in Subway Surfers. Bye.